Of course, based on that video, the circus is still happening right here in Jamaica. And on this side of Daytime Live, we are joining via Zoom Ivan Suarez, one of the most influential persons in the Suarez circus that we have here in Jamaica. Greetings, Ivan.
Greetings, Ivan.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good afternoon.
Big up, big up. We're good, man. We're good. Good to have you.
Thank you for the time. And well, we are happy to inform that this is the last week of the Suarez Circus in Montego Bay. Mm-hmm. Okay, but we have a special surprise for all the kids.
Tell us.
You know, directly from Los Angeles, we are bringing the Disney Magic Show. Okay, wow. This is the last 3 days for the Disney Magic Show because we only been 6 days in Montego.
Right.
Okay, so this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the 3 last days for the Disney Magic Show at Fairview Complex in Montego Bay at the Suarez Brothers Circus.
Amazing.
Yeah, this is not a regular part of the circus offerings, is it? And tell us, how is it different from the regular circus, the Disney Magic
No,
Show?
it's not the regular. We have a special show. Okay, right. This is the end of the period in Montego Bay, so right. we bring a special show for all the people from Montego Bay. We have one part of the show with the normal performers, the pendulum, the globe of death, clowns, the trapeze, the acrobats. But the second half of the show is special for the kids. It's with all the Disney characters, say Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, and all the characters from the favorite movies, Moana, Frozen, Little Mermaid. And all the kids, the small kids from the Montego Bay, they can have this big opportunity to meet and have some fun with all the Disney characters. This is the last 3 days, only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today we have one show at 7:30 p.m., tomorrow 5 and 8 p.m., and Sundays 3 shows, 2, 5, and 8 p.m.
So Ivan, tell us, will you be in other parishes too?
Yes, well, actually, we can be at the studio because right now we are at Cayenne Beach in Negril.
Wow.
So that means that we have doing the proper cleaning and preparation at the venue. So the venue can be ready next week for the next week because we're gonna be only 9 days here at Negril at Cayenne Beach from the 15th until the 23rd of March.
Awesome.
It's something entertaining is always happening here in Jamaica. And Jamaicans are drawn to that type of energy. But how have the Jamaicans, the locals, been reacting to the circus?
Well, we have been in Jamaica, we coming in Jamaica since the 70s, you know, and Jamaica is always big, we have a big feedback from all the Jamaicans since the first time that we come in here, and this time is not the exception. We have a great season in Kingston, in Ocho Rios, and in Montego Bay. We have a very good feedback. The people enjoy, the people like the circus. And you know, the circus is not that easy. to come to Jamaica. You know, so, and the Suarez Circus is the only, I can say, the only circus that been presenting in Jamaica since the 70s.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so you spoke about Negril, you spoke about Mobe, but how can we get tickets to come to these shows?
Well, they can purchase a ticket at the Circus box office that is open from 10 a.m. daily. Okay, and online, the people can purchase the tickets online. Okay, at caribtix.com.
Say the website one more time.
The tickets gonna be online at caribtix.com.
Ah, okay. Caribtix.
Okay.
Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff.
I mean, quick. If there was one thing that you would recommend for persons to see, just one attraction at the circus that persons should see, what one thing is that? Just one.
The most important, I think that you can enjoy a very, very good time with the family because it's a family entertainment. You know,
smart man.
For us, we are proud. We are proud of that. You know, that is the show that you can bring the entire family.
Right.
Awesome.
You know, everybody wanna be fun. Everybody wanna have a good time in the circus because it's for all the family.
Okay.
So this attraction is for the entire family. It's something that we always proud of it.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Ivan. So that's the Suarez Circus happening now in Negril and then on to Mobe.
Thank you very much.
Big up. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have a music video from Wizkid, So Forward.